Sweet potato brownies. Very healthy sweet alternative. Boil 2 sweet potatoes and peel the skin. Cut into pieces. Add to mixer. Add a 1/4 cup cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup. Two tablespoons peanut butter. Grind it to paste. Add it to baking paper lined cake tin. Add chocolate chips, it is optional. Bake in preheated pan at low flame for 25 minutes. Or in preheated oven at 180 for 20 minutes. Cool completely. Remove the brownie from the tin. Cut into pieces. Healthy and soft and fudgy brownies are ready. Thanks for watching.